they say that 30% or more of leaders are not engaged. Now, how can you engage other people if you're not engaged yourself?
As I work with organisations around the country, around the world, what I've found is there seem to be three really big issues. How do we get people to buy into change? How do we keep our workforce engaged? And how do we retain great people? It really does start with you. If you've got a leader that people trust and you are that leader who people want to follow and they buy into what you're saying, it's because you've mastered the ability to really connect with them. When I was living in Australia, the leader that I had was incredible. She was so genuine and so authentic, and it was easy for me to follow her.
Have you ever just felt so strongly about a leader that you personally have had that you would have walked on water for that person, and you've stayed because of that person?
It is all about the human element. It always is about people. And ultimately, it is the leader who is responsible.
There's such a focus on engaging the workforce. Glad you're here. Thanks for coming. You're really special. I mean, what does that do? Nothing. What is it that makes people want to stay? People want to be valued. People want to be heard. People want to be appreciated. People want to be understood.
Are you that kind of leader?
It was a great way to start our conference.
It was so inspiring.
It was excellent and just what we needed.
The companies that I've worked with, they really understand what this workforce wants and needs to be successful.
Complacency is the enemy of success. It's very easy to say, you know what, we're doing well, but we also need to be aware of what happens when we stay in the status quo. Change isn't logical. Change is emotional.
It's one thing to have the words, but we need to back it up with action. So when a leader in an organisation focuses on what's within their control, that makes you unstoppable.
What's 100% within our control is having the best work environment that we can have, being the best of us that we can be, having the best relationships that we can have. All of that is 100% within our control. That's the most exciting part.